that just saw me sprint over here is like, oh, it's that guy.
Yeah.
It is.
Oh, it's that guy.
It's late for his heat. Mm-hmm.
Who schedules like a really long workout to start the day and like, hey, let's just schedule a workout over here. It's like a really short one. Sure, let me just sprint on over here.
I feel like that's pretty normal.
People who just don't care about, the people behind the scenes. The real heroes.
The real heroes.
Just out here sweating.
Yes,
How
literally.
dare they not ask?
One day he's
I-
freezing.
that's what I'm saying.
Should have, really.
Where's the consideration for the
I have
media?
no idea.
One day he's freezing,
Yeah.
sweating like a dog the next.
It's not last year, though. He doesn't have,
Hey,
he doesn't
I'm
have
not-
the long sleeves on.
I don't
this
have long
year.
sleeves. I'm not wearing gray.
I heard about that last year. Yeah, we're here.
Brutal.
We were
Did you
legitimately worried.
Cut to last year.
What's the last?
Oh, you're filming this.
I'll be here. I don't think we're gonna lose today.
Go up and wait on the sled.
Number 17 and 18.
And they just kept
Also
saying
joining
that.
us from
Did
Italia
they tell you why or
and
no?
making her way on to that final
Workout
sled
flow.
train, Beth Thomas in lane number 19.
Makes it more of a sprint, I guess.
And on her way back, lane number 13.
She's got to repeat 3 times.
They worried about Elite struggling yesterday, so they had to
I
keep it
know.
down.
I don't know. That wasn't bad. I think it like the last half of that last lap gets a little spicy.
All right. I mean, you're pulling the sled through the hands.
I know. It wasn't terrible.
Nice work.
One more plate would have been a little.
Yeah.
Hey, what the hell? You couldn't make it interesting or a race? What? You just had to blow everybody out? You couldn't just make it a race? I gotta get back up to first, bro. I don't have much time left. Oh yeah, the backwards hat is speed mode. Speed mode. What? The last time you wore those sunglasses, you were on an Avenger, didn't you? Might have to wear them later.
That's why I get paid the big bucks.
Give it up, guys. Another round of applause for your masters.
GT, you're sweating today.
45 to 49.
Easy. It wasn't easy.
Why?
Lane 17, PMI.
Always more.
And Academy of Lions.
What happened that those first box jumps?
We got 1 minute left on that clock,
Jumping
Noah.
off the corner instead of straight on.
I want to see CrossFit Skyfall Black
Yesterday we
finish.
started the wrong way on the worm, so we're keeping it consistent.
Gotta face the judge. The judge said.
Big
problem
left
was,
finish down into
They told us we could do that angle, and then the other judge came over.
So here's what I'll tell you about that. The teams got caught by that too. They're telling them something over here. They're telling you guys something, and then they're communicating differently here.
Well, no, we asked our judge right here, said, can we come up and off the corner? She said, yeah. But the other judge, like the head judge, walked over and was like, you can't do that. So she no-repped us.
It was I do all the reps, next person does all the box jumps.
And Skyfall
We got
Black
capped. That one was so much faster.
finishes there.
That version.
That was like a sprint the whole time.
clear the floor. Heat
Good job.
11.
Into everyone. Everyone jumps up the ropes gone.
Yeah, everyone. I kept telling Alex, I'm like, we gotta hold it for him, just because he kept missing.
It's so great.
It got frantic.
I felt like we went pretty fast on those ropes.
Here's the thing. So you guys got down early from that jump, and then you caught like maybe 2/3 of the field.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Stand by.
Felt good.
Yeah.
3,
Felt good.
2,
Yo, these shades though.
1,
Huh?
go.
Yeah, I was trying. Got to a point where it got too dark, and I was like, "Where's the rope?"
I want to see what I look like in your lens. I don't know what I look like.
Arena 1 to 10.
Oh.
Stand by. 3, 2, 1, go.
And here they go around.
See that collarbone?
Oh,
My floor was like,
you like that, huh?
and it popped up.
They're pretty f***ed up.
So that was just a little weird, and it like sunk. Did you like feel it happen or what?
Yeah, I felt it. I was catching my cleans like this. Yeah.
I got that.
Baby wrists.
Just like adrenaline just going.
Pretty much.
I'm not as cool as you. I don't have that.
No, I leave hickeys on there. So it's a different sort of hematoma.
Different hematoma.
You did fine.
Running across the finish line to an event win. Down here in lane 6, the 3 Bros. Everybody make some noise. 11 minutes and 19 seconds on quickly. Jersey Classic just behind.
Go now, everyone!
That damn rope, that hurts the worst. Sorry.
There goes.
It's better now than it was standing back there, just because now I use it. It'll get super tight.
He just finished. That was going to be an old.
If that wasn't gonna do it, I don't know what will. You know what I mean?
Alright, good. Yeah, I mean, that guy, even if that guy doesn't drop out, you had both of them on the ropes.
Yeah,
So much time, this guy's still standing at the rope.
I was watching him,
Yeah. Kind of just run.
and I think I don't know. I was just saving it. That's why I broke his walk so.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. This guy was failing his walks right at the red here on the first bit.
The guy that hurt himself, I don't know where he went.
He left.
You broke him, dude. You broke him.
He broke it?
No, I said you broke him.
Oh, I broke
It was his groin. It was his groin.
Oh, really?
Lunging. I think he was like overextending and it just kind of got him.
Yeah, that was a shit show in the beginning, dude. I didn't realize I hit the tape.
Yeah.
And I was like, just let me walk.
Yeah.
Because I said upside
Did
down.
you know the rope was on you?
Yeah, I was like, I was even saying, like, let me walk when I was like upside down. But I didn't realize I hit the tape.
I thought you just couldn't hear him. So
No, I didn't realize I hit the tape. I'm like, just let me walk.
Leave it there.
I'll grab my rope later.
Good showing.
All right, I'll see you guys over there. I had like zero momentum. Usually, you know, when you get it like, oh, this is my kind of movement, and you can just go.
I kicked that last one when you kicked up originally. I saw you like you sprint into it, and then it's like.
Oh yeah, just shoulders were just like breaking me, dude.
You were getting no rep because you were carrying your rope with you
No.
on the first
No.
one.
I didn't realize I hit the tape.
Oh, I thought it was because you had your rope on you.
No,
He's like, no.
I was telling the guy, I was yelling at him while I was walking, like, let me walk, because it was fine.
Yeah.
Thinking I'd just grab my rope when I come back or something, but he said I hit the tape line, and I didn't realize that.
The guy's over there just cheating. He's trying to continue.
Yeah.
Guys, let me just take my
Let me take my equipment with me, it's fine.
Hey, Lord Cow, traveling done. Let it happen.
Different style.
Yeah, different style.
Also, that's now 3-0 with the sunglasses.
I think I got to keep them on for tomorrow.
Just saying.
And then a lift, maybe the lift.
I'm gonna clean the first one, put the other one on my screen.
It's impossible to be upset when you wear a shirt like that.
Division, everybody. I saw you like open it. Last 4 remaining here for the Tahitian Warriors in lane 20.
In lane number 9, Arieta Maz. With 90 seconds remaining, gentlemen.
Tahitian Warriors and Crockett Lissette get across for the
Good job!
The boys in lane 14, the 8 kids. Final 4 burpees here in lane 15 for Unleash.
Burpees got really tight a lot of people.
That last round, when you guys got to the muscle ups, you guys fucking
You guys
I was like wanting to break so bad. I was wanting to break so bad on the 9. I was like, so f***ing drop. I was like 5 and I was like, there was no way. You just appreciate it. Appreciate it.
11:26 was the time to be here for our final
in there.
of RX Gentlemen coming on out.
There's a lot in there.